pull up on my laptop.
All right. You got a better view. Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
All right, so the outside of the ear is the auricle or pinna is also accepted. The inside part here till the eardrum is the external auditory canal. One of our models at Auburn, somebody wrote, insert Q-tip here. That's the way I remember it. The eardrum here is also known as the tympanic membrane. Scientific names, please, for our test. The tube that starts just behind the eardrum and comes down, this has three names. Okay? So the one I like, but I will accept all three of them. I'll tell you all three of them. The one I like is the pharyngotympanic tube. And I know that sounds scary, but it goes down to the pharynx. That's the pharyngo part, and it comes up to the tympanum. So that's the name, pharyngotympanic tube. Now, it's also called the eustachian tube, if you know that. I can't spell that one. It's also known as the auditory tube. However, if you use that, make sure you say tube and not canal, because you have the auditory canal here and the auditory tube here.
This right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the external auditory canal. This is the pharyngotympanic or auditory tube. All right, you have 3 bones. Remind me when we get done with this. I'll pull out the real ear bones we have. Real human ear bones. They're kind of cool. All right. So the first one, I'm trying to get it out. Come on. Pulling at the wrong angle. There we go. So you have the eardrum. The first bone that goes closest to it is the malleus. That hits the incus. Our stapes is broken off. So it would be right there. If we could pick up the stapes, there would be a hole underneath it. You'll see the little 27 pointing to underneath it. The hole underneath the stapes is the oval window.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then we have the 3 semicircular canals here. The cochlea is the snail shell. And then the auditory nerve, acoustic nerve, vestibulocochlear nerve, whichever the terms you like. Now, as far as, and the temporal bone is all of this bone. So that's pretty straightforward. Get this back together so I can show you.
So that's, what's this?
This is the auricle or the pinna, the first one there. Okay. So one of the questions or one of the things I want you to be able to tell me is what's the difference between the external, middle, and inner ear? So if you look at the way the sound travels from the air in past the auricle that funnels our sound